Hi, I'm Michael, and this is Jarrett. We are managers in a paper making company, informing our boss on how to properly make environmentally conscious decisions. We are using the article Multi Criteria Decision Making Approaches for Green Supply Chains to convince our boss that our business should become more environmentally friendly. Our business has been very successful over the past few years as we continue to grow and become a large manufacturing force in the American economy. However, we have to think about sustainability for our company and for the environment. Natural resources are becoming scarce, and because of the growing world population, they're in greater demand. We must make an environmentally conscious decision and change the way that we do business. We can do this by using the 5 steps of the decision making process.
All right, so step one in this decision-making process is identifying and defining the problem. As a paper-making company, we identify our problem by recognizing that our business may cause deforestation, and this is destructive to the environment and has negative effects on our business. Deforestation is a big problem for the environment because it destroys ecosystems for wildlife to live. It is also bad for our business because there are less trees to make paper from. This way of doing business is not sustainable for the environment or our business.
Okay, so step 2 in the decision making process is generating and evaluating alternative courses of action. So we have generated 2 courses of action that we considered implementing. The first change we can make is reducing the amount of trees that we cut down. This option will reduce deforestation, but it is not sustainable for our business because we will not be able to produce the same amount of paper necessary to keep up with demand. Our second option is to replant the same amount of trees as the amount that we cut down for paper. This option promotes caring for the environment along with keeping up with the demand for paper.
The third step in this 5-step decision-making process is deciding on a preferred course of action. We decided that in order to solve the problem of deforestation, we should go with the second option, which is replanting an equal amount of trees that we cut down. This option will allow us to regrow forests to their original condition while still attaining the benefits that they provide us as a business. This concept is also mentioned in our article as eco-efficiency. Eco-efficiency should be the new goal of the company as it promotes productivity while still keeping in mind the environmental effects of our business.
Okay, so step 4 in the decision-making process is implementing the decision that has been made. We plan to regrow trees that we cut down at a 1-to-1 ratio. This means that we'll replant every tree that we cut down. So when we cut down a tree on the site, we'll immediately pull out the stump and plant a new tree in its place.
The fifth and final step in this decision-making process is evaluating the results. Our company will evaluate the success of this process in 2 ways. We will evaluate how it affects the business and how it affects the environment. If the business continues to earn profits and we see a decrease in deforestation, the process will be considered a success. If we see that this process is too costly and does not yield the results that we hope for, we will reevaluate our options and maybe make a change or completely choose a new option.
Okay, so it is necessary that we implement a change in the way that we conduct our business. Consumers in all industries are leaning toward more environmentally friendly products, and we need to get ahead of our competitors now in order to ensure our success in the future. This shift will not just be beneficial for us, but it will save the environment from the destructive effects of deforestation. We thank you for your time. Thanks for listening to us and hope to hear from you soon.
Peace.